Hi guys, welcome to my next video on YouTube, how to use TradingView software. Okay, why this video is because many people have messaged me and asked for the more details about TradingView software, how to use it, basics, futures and all this. So I decided I'll make a video and I'll upload it on YouTube so that you can take use of it. Okay, so here I'm going to discuss few of the main features of the TradingView software. I have used other charting software also, but I was not very happy with it because somehow like it was not very user friendly. Then I used charting software which is offered by brokers, but even that was not very accurate. And finally, I used the TradingView software, and from that time, for last 1.5 years, I have been using TradingView software, and I'm very happy using TradingView software because it has one of the best interface and one of the charting software which has lot of features for a trader. If you are a new trader or if you are new to trading software, you have used other charting software, then try it once, and I'm sure that you'll be very happy using trading software because of the features it offers and very clear and very neat interface, as you can see from my chart. Okay, if you are very new to TradingView, then if you want to open an account, then there is a link below my video here in the description section where you can click that link and it will take you to the TradingView website where you can open a free account with TradingView. Okay, TradingView has both free and paid version. So also they gave 1 month free trial for a new user, and you can try it and then you can decide whether you want to continue TradingView or you want to go back to your previous charting software. Okay, without wasting much time, so let's go to the TradingView software and let us see what are the features TradingView offers. Okay, first let me discuss about the settings for any chart or for any charts. To have a good interface, first you need to have a good settings. Okay, so first thing I'll show you settings. For settings there are two options. You can go to this chart settings and click on it, and then you can do the chart settings from here, or you can right click and here again you see chart settings button. Again you can do it from here. Okay, so candles, you can change colors whichever you want. You can see that one thing I want to show it here. This is how my chart looks like, and this is how default chart looks like. Okay, see here, this is how, if you open your account for the first time, this is how your chart looks like with candlesticks like that. So you have to decide which kind of interface you want, which kind of chart settings you want. So many people, when they see my chart, they say that they ask me like how I do it, like why it is showing different candlesticks compared to the one which is in the default. For that you have to do some settings. Okay, what settings I am doing is, I go to candles, I change green color from different one in that is there already, and red also I change color little bit, and borders and wicks I normally keep it black. Okay, so in the default section you'll see borders and wicks are also same as candles color, but I change it to black. That's why you see slightly different candlesticks in my chart as compared to the default one, like this. Okay, so let us see settings, how you have to make the changes. First I set candles, and this one you decide how you want it. Then there are status line and scales. Scales is this one, price scale on your right. Here you have to decide whether you want this kind of labels or you don't want the labels. That you can click it here and decide whether you want it or you don't want to have it. Appearance. Appearance will give you background, like whether you want white background or black background. You can see my chart has got the white background. If I want the black background, then I click on this and I click black. That's it. So now my chart has got the black background. Some people like black background, so such people can go to chart settings, appearance, and change it to black, but let me keep it white because I like white color. And then crosshair and all these colors, if you want, you can change it. And that's it. Mainly symbol and appearance and scales, these are the three things you want to do settings in your TradingView chart. Second thing is, you can see on your left all these lines. This for the horizontal line, Fibonacci lines, and like trend line, all these are available here, which I have already saved it here so that it is easier for me. Okay, horizontal line, just click on this, and normally I use it for the previous day high and previous day low. Okay, so here you can go and again you can change the width and the colors and the shapes, everything you can change it here. Like you can, if you want, you can have dotted line or you can have straight line. If you want color, different color, you can go here and you can change it to whichever color you want. Okay, and trend lines also available. So if you are a person who likes to draw a trend line on your chart, you can draw it here. I'm not a big fan of trend lines, so I hardly use trend lines. I'm a fan of horizontal lines, so I use only some chart, sorry, some shape or some. I use this rectangle used are this horizontal line and rectangle and trend lines on your chart. Okay, you can go and remove one. Just click on your right. Just click right on your mouse. Click. Okay, so this is about the setting. So see watch list. Okay, watch list. You have to go here. You have to click this button, which is watch list details and news. Click there, and you can see here. These are my watch list. You can see my watch list here. There are three watch lists I have: Nifty 50 and Nifty F&O. When I click index Nifty and all other sectoral indices, other sectoral indices, and if you click on Nifty stocks particularly, let me show you how to create a new watch list. Again, go here, click on the create new list, and type it here. Okay, let me type my favorite. Okay, sorry. So let me type my favorite and press save. So now you see it is empty because I have not added any scripts now. Now let me add one by one. So let me add Reliance. Let me add HDFC. Let me add Tata Steel. Okay, like that you can add it. You can add your favorite scripts on my favorite under my favorite. So now you can see that I have 4 indices. Whichever you want, you can just click it and you'll see all the scripts inside that watch list. Okay, so this is very useful if you want to trade in Nifty, Bank Nifty, or only stocks, or you have some stocks which are your favorites. And this is how you can have a watch list on your TradingView charting software. Next, let me discuss on alert. Okay, alert, this is the button which you see on alert. Just press on it. Now there are no alerts created, that's why it's showing empty. So let me save one alert. Say I want to take a long trade once Nifty crosses 11,178. Okay, so I'll go here and I type here 11,170 and I decide what I want. Like I want only pop-ups or email or play sound, and sound also you can decide which kind of sound you want it. And here it is saying it will give me pop-up or play sound once it crosses 11,178. Okay, and just click create. Okay, now you can see that it's already been created in the alert. So when you go to settings, you can check it again. So it says that once Nifty crosses 11,178, only once it will give me pop-up and it will give me this sound for 10 seconds. Here also again you can change it how long you want it, and already it has been saved. And this red lines what you see, this is the alert line which will give you on, which will show you on the chart. Suppose now you decided, okay, I don't want to go for 11,178, I want to go for 11,160. And again, you don't have to type everything here, just pull that line, so it will automatically change in the settings. Now you can see that, yeah, it is saying 11,160. So this is one of the useful features which TradingView has got, especially for people who are busy with other things, or that can't watch screen throughout the day. They are busy with other things, but they want to have a alert on the screen where they want to buy or sell at the particular level. Then this is very useful for them. Okay, so this all the options are not there for everyone. For example, this I'm a pro member, so I get only pop-up and I get only place on. I don't get email and all this one. If you want email alert and all this, then you need to upgrade it, okay, to premium membership. So that is how very useful this TradingView software for people who want to have an alert on the screen. So if you want to remove this alert, again go here and just click on the right side of your mouse and just click delete, so your alert is gone. Okay, let me discuss next about the indicators. For indicators, you have to go here and let me close this. Okay, go to indicators, and here all you'll see hundreds of indicators, all kind of indicators you will see in this section. So you can type here anything. Suppose you want moving average on your screen, type moving average and it will show you all moving average, like simple moving average, exponential, weighted moving average, whichever you want it. Just click on this and it will come here. So you can see that from here, and now already 9 EMA is showing here. So suppose you want to change the color of your EMA, go here and change it whichever color you want. Okay, so now it is changed from green color to purple one. So if you want to change from 9 EMA, suppose you want to go for 50 EMA, type here 50 and now it is 50 EMA. Okay, and suppose you don't want moving average in your chart for time being, okay, so you don't have to delete it again. Just go here and press this hide button and it has been hidden. Okay, so you don't see moving average, but if you want after few minutes you want moving average again, go here and again click it. Now you can see the moving average on your chart. So this is also one of the best option TradingView has got it, so you don't have to every time add and delete it and all this. Okay, and one more thing I like TradingView, because TradingView is very useful for people like me who are pivot points trader. I am big fan of pivot points, as many people know that. Okay, when you click pivot point, you can see so many options are there for pivot points, so I can decide whichever I want it. Okay, and second thing is that I am a pivot points and price action trader. For me, I want clean chart with clean candlesticks. Okay, very neat, everything I want it to be neat, and I mean overall I want very clean chart for the price action without much noise, without much noise on my chart. So for that, see how clearly it looks like on your chart, candlesticks and all this. That's why I like charting software, because it's very user friendly and it's very clear and very neat. Okay, let me discuss about the split screen now. So split screen is very useful for me because I trade only Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, so you can see that here on left side is Nifty and on right side it's Bank Nifty. Okay, so I don't trade in any stocks and all this. I trade only Nifty and Bank Nifty. For me, very useful because I see both the movement of both Nifty and Bank Nifty at same time. Okay, so I decide based on price action and pivot point whether I want to take a trade in Nifty or Bank Nifty. So I don't have to have two different screen. I can see both screens here. How to do it? Go to this section here and decide like whether you want this kind of shape or you want this kind of shape. And there are not only two, you can have also up to 4 to 8 screens also in single interface. But for that you need to take the premium membership. Since I'm a pro membership, I get only 2 screens on my interface. Okay, so if you can have anything, like you can have Nifty on your left side and right side if you want to have any stocks. If you want to have a Reliance, you want to see how Reliance is doing, you can type Reliance and you can see Reliance chart on your right side. Okay, so if you are a trader who trade in stocks but you want to know what is overall market is doing, so you can have a Nifty or Bank Nifty on your left and trade your stocks on the right side of the screen. So this is very useful for people who want to trade in stocks, or even like me who trades only Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, so this is about the split screen. So let me come to the last section, that is time frame. So time frame you can see here. You can decide whether you want 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. All this you can see it from here. And also TradingView recently started offering 1 second, 5 seconds, 15, 30 seconds also time frame, but that is also again available only for premium members, not for pro members. Okay, so normally I use 5 minutes for my trading. And one more option, one more feature is you don't have to go every time and click it here, 5, go here and then type, then click it here and all this. Just type it on your screen. Just go to your keyboard and type 15. Okay, and press enter. That's it. Now your time frame has changed to 15. Okay, now I want to change it to 30. Go and type 30 and type and click enter. So now it goes to 30 minutes. Now I want to go back to 5 minutes. Again I type 5 and click enter, and it will give me 5 minutes time frame. So all these are very user friendly, where you don't have to go again and go here and click it again everything. Just type it on your screen and you'll get that time frame. Along with that, if you want to see what August, suppose you want to see what was last month Nifty on 26th July was doing, how was the price action on July 26th, go here, go to here, go to section, type it here and click this button, and it will take you to July 26th. This is July 26th. And also if you want to see what was the Nifty price or what was Nifty price action on 1 month back, 5 days back, 3 months back, all this you can see it from here. Okay, so this is about the TradingView charting software. There are other advanced features also available which I am not discussing now. Okay, a couple of things which I want to tell you here. You see that I take the screenshot of my TradingView chart and I upload it on my blog many times. So you can see it now how I do it. I go here and click on take a snapshot, and it will get saved here. So save image, click on the save image and save it wherever you want it. So that's it about the saving the screenshot. And second is full screen mode. If you want to have a full screen mode, again go here and you can see full screen mode of TradingView charting software. Okay, and so that's all about TradingView software. There are many other advanced options available, like you can replay the bars, you can replay the candles, you can have stock screener, you can check the stock screener, you can have text notes, spine editor, and so many other things also available in TradingView, which are the advanced one, which I'm not discussing now. So this is basics for a person who is new to trading or who is new to TradingView software. This much knowledge is enough for new person who is new to TradingView for their daily trades. Okay, so this is all about how to use TradingView software. And if you have any more question, put it in the comment section and I'll try to answer it. If you like this video, then please hit the subscribe button. And if you are new to TradingView, then there is a link given below this video in the description section, and click that and it will take you to the TradingView software where you can open a free account. Okay, so this is all about the how to use TradingView software. Okay, thanks, and thanks for your time. I'll meet you in the next video. Thanks, bye.